Meet EKO Mirage X, where cutting-edge technology meets timeless design. Remove the liner ring like this, quick and effortless. Use custom EKO Code G bags for a perfect fit. No slipping, no mess. Start by inserting the new batteries with correct polarity. Please avoid using rechargeable batteries. Twist to lock. Quick and easy. We've included a built-in deodorizer. Simply drop in an EKO fragrance capsule so your space stays as fresh as it looks. Now flip the switch. Your Mirage X is on. As you approach, the lid responds instantly. After use, the lid closes gently in just 5 seconds with a whisper-quiet motion, completing your waste disposal with quiet sophistication. Just press open button to activate Stay Open mode, perfect for longer tasks. The lid will remain open for up to 20 minutes. When you're done, simply press this button and it returns to sensor mode. This is EKO Mirage X Sensor Bin. Smartly designed, timelessly elegant.